Welcome. In this video, we are diving into a powerful framework for crafting effective AI prompts. It is called RASCEF and it stands for R stands for role playing, whereas A stands for action, S stands for steps, and C stands for context, E stands for examples, and F stands for format. Now I'll explain all these. So let me break it down. R for role playing. Start by defining who the AI should act as. This R sets the, that means this role play sets the expertise level, which means, so let's take an example like you are an expert in AWS architect. Let's say I am asking a question related to architecture, AWS related architecture. Then you can tell to your model that you are an expert, dear AI, you are an expert in that architecture. So explain that. So like that you need to tell the AI it's a role playing. After specifying this role play in your prompt, you also need to specify what is the action that you want your AI to do. So that also you need to clearly specify. Like if we take an example, help me design a scalable data pipeline, or help me design a AWS architecture with best practices. So like that you need to define your action in your prompt. So let's assume you defined role play and action on your prompt. Then after that you need to specify the steps. So what does this steps will say? This will say what is the approach that AI will follow, or what is the approach that AI used to assist you to solve that particular problem. If we take an example, here you can see break down the response into clear steps like choose the best architecture and select suitable AWS services, explain deployment strategies, provide cost optimization tips. So like that. Examples also you need to provide. And related to steps, what are the steps or approach that your AI will follow? That also you need to specify in your prompt. After that, context. So what is the context? That means you need to provide a relevant context that AI should know to give you accurate answers. For example, let's say you are developing, or let's say you want to answer for some question based on the content that you have. Then you need to pass your content as a context here, and you need to provide your question. Then in that particular context for your question, this model will answer. And this is one more important, that is format. So what is the expected output format that you need to specify clearly in your prompt? Like please provide me the output in markdown format. Like that you need to specify. So these all you need to include in your prompt while requesting any model. If you include all these, that is this RASCEF, then your prompt becomes more effective and efficient to get better and possibly best results. If you take an other examples, then you can able to find like this. If you provide like this effectively full prompt, then you can able to get an effective response. You need to provide this and this. So all these you need to provide inside your prompt in that much detailed manner so that LLM can understood your request and it can able to provide the correct response other than random or unexpected outputs. So I hope you understood what is this RASCEF prompt technique and how to implement it in real time for getting effective response. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.